Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. Today I want to show you how you can deploy your React app that you have created with Vite in Netlify. It's a free package where you don't need to subscribe to anything. So all you need is to create a project with the React, specifically using Vite. So I already have my project here, and when you want to deploy a project online, especially a React project, you will need to convert the project into HTML and CSS, including the assets. And to do that, you basically just have to run, you need to run npm build. That one will create a folder. It will convert your project into the normal HTML and CSS file that you can easily upload online. So I already have my project here. If you don't have a project yet, you can create one, just a simple project, because the purpose of this video is basically to show you how you can upload a React project on Netlify. And my React project, I created it with Vite. Vite is one of the latest frameworks that most React developers are using, because it makes creating a React app really simple, and the structures it creates are really clear and easy to understand. So we open a new terminal. My terminal is opening here. It's taking some bit of time. It's usually slow, especially if I have just closed my VS Code. Reopening it always takes some bit of time for me. However, here we have our terminal ready, so we can simply cd to the project. My project is named as a front end, so you just write cd and the name of the project you have created. Mine is front end. And then inside the front end, we are going to npm run build. So you type npm run build. So this will convert our project into HTML and CSS. That will be in a folder called dist. D-I-S-T. So wait to see how this turns out to be. So you can see it, the process is here. It's building for production. It's transforming our files. So here our file is ready. Let's see the files. It's up here, the dist files. Let's close these ones. The dist file is here. It has the asset HTML and the SVG. So it has all the assets here. So for us to access this file, you can just right click on it. You right click and then you reveal it from the you just reveal it in the file explorer. Then our folder is here, the dist folder with all the files that we have. It has the assets and the HTML plus the SVG. So from here we can just open our browser. For me, I prefer using Chrome. So in Chrome, you just search for Netlify. However, I already have an account with Netlify. If you have not signed up with Netlify, it will ask you to do so. So you follow the prompts, you sign up. After signing up, you'll have an account like this, that's like mine. You can see the interface. I have some few projects that I've deployed here before, as you can see. So here we shall just click on the add a new site button. That's if you want to upload a new project. So if you are already here, please let's go ahead and tap on add new site, which is here. That is the button you are going to tap on, and then it will bring for us this. You tap on the deploy manually. So from here we go to our folder. We just drag and drop it here. Go to our folder. The dist is, we shall carry the dist, and then we drop it here. So you can see it is uploading. You don't need to refresh your Windows in this process. So once the upload is done, you can check around. So you can see the files are here, the asset, the index, and the SVG that we had. And here the post processing is complete. Then if you come up here, you open production deploy. You open the production deploy, and here is the project that we just uploaded on Netlify. So for now, this project is online, and you can share this link with your friends. So you can see it is really free of charge. You don't need any money to open up this account. It's a free package from Netlify. So let's try and see the difference. We just have to compare the project that we have locally in the local host and the one from Netlify. So just open your local host and see. Taking some bit of time to open here. So here you can see the project that we just uploaded. So this is the local host, and this is from Netlify. You can see Netlify, the extension of Netlify, and from here you can click on site overview. Click on site overview. That's if you want to do some changes, and then you click on site configuration. After clicking on site configuration, you scroll down a bit. You come to change site name, which is this button, change site name. Here you can rename this project the way you want. However, it will take the netlify.app extension as well, because this is a free package, so you leave out the Netlify. It comes automatic. So after saving, you'll see that the site name was changed, and you can now see here when you click on it, the site name was changed, and you can share this link with your friends, and really be grateful for work well done. So if you want to make some changes to your project, you go back to your Visual Studio Code, you make your changes. You also run npm build again, so that it updates the dist folder. It will replace it with the new one. From there, you will also drag and drop it in a Netlify after making any changes to your file. So basically, this is how you can upload your React project online, especially React with Vite, and uploading it on Netlify, which also has the paid versions that comes with much more tools for you to deploy your project. However, this free version can also help you, especially if you just want to share these links with your friends, and if you want any other person to see your project. So for now, this project of ours is online, and if you found this video useful, please do subscribe to Lulwa TV Tech, and share this with your friends. If there are any suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section, so that I'll come back to work on it. And thank you so much. See you in the next one. Thank you.